Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can enable post approval in your Facebook group. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also put your likes under the video, write your comments after watching it, and let's get started. So friends, first of all you will need to open the Facebook application. After that, go to the menu section. Next, you will need to select the Groups option here. Then at the top, select your groups, and this will take you to all the groups, to the list of groups where you are the administrator or organizer. Next, friends, go to the group you want. Then click here Control. Next, friends, you will need to scroll down. Click on Group Settings. And now also scroll down a little bit and select Publish Approval. And here, friends, you'll be able to easily turn on that approval. You'll just need to move this switch right here. And then, folks, click Save. After that, other people will be able to make posts in this group. But those posts will be seen by the administrator or the founder of the group to approve them, so to speak. This is the way, friends, you will be able to enable post approval in your Facebook group. I really hope you found this video helpful and that it was useful to you. Please don't forget to put your likes, also write comments and also subscribe to this channel. Bye everyone.